Hello everyone and welcome to How to Professional. In this video, I am going to show you how to pay with Revolut on phone. To get started, open your app. Head to the Cards section. Your initial step involves acquiring a virtual card. This is an uncomplicated procedure. Just click on Get Card. From there, you can choose between a physical or virtual card. Pick a color of your preference. The system will then proceed to craft the card you selected. Now, move on to your settings. Locate the wallet option, then access and add your card. When prompted, specify whether it's a debit or credit card. You have two options for entering your card details: scanning the card or manually inputting the information. Start by entering your card number, which can be found in your Revolut account. Simply copy and paste it into the designated field. Afterward, provide the card's expiry date and CVV. Once these details are in place, click Next. Your Revolut virtual card will be seamlessly integrated with your phone. When you're at a supermarket or any other payment-required location, a simple double tap will suffice. This action will unveil your virtual card for use. That completes the steps for making Revolut payments via your phone. I trust you found this explanation beneficial. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel.